You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're not broken. If you've spent years struggling to respect yourself, there's a psychological reason behind it. And until you understand it, your mind will keep treating you like an enemy instead of an ally. Let's talk about why you don't respect yourself and how to rebuild the identity you lost. Self-respect is not confidence. It's not ego. It's not arrogance. Self-respect is a relationship between you and the voice inside your head. And for many people, that relationship has been broken for years. You treat yourself the way someone once treated you. Most people don't realize this. Self-respect isn't learned as an adult. It's programmed in childhood. If you were constantly criticized, ignored, or invalidated, your brain learned one lesson: my feelings don't matter. So now, as an adult, you dismiss your own emotions before anyone else can. You learn to shrink, to stay quiet, to not take up space, not because you wanted to, but because someone taught you that being yourself was a problem. Every time you say yes when you mean no, you lose respect for yourself. Self-respect dies in small moments, not big ones. Every time you break a promise to yourself, every time you tolerate behavior that hurts you, every time you stay silent to avoid conflict, you teach your brain one thing: I don't protect myself. And when your brain learns that, it stops trusting you. You don't know who you are, so you let others decide. A person without a clear identity can't have self-respect. Why? Because self-respect comes from alignment, doing what matches your values. If you're constantly adapting to people, hiding your thoughts, changing your personality to be liked, you're not living your life. You're living everyone else's script. And it's impossible to respect someone who abandons themselves for approval. Your brain is comfortable with mistreatment. This part is painful to hear, but necessary. If you grew up around disrespect, your nervous system normalized it. So now you unconsciously gravitate toward people who use you, partners who ignore your needs, friends who only show up when they want something. Not because you like suffering, but because disrespect feels familiar. Your brain confuses familiarity with safety, so it pulls you back to environments that harm you and rejects the ones that treat you well. Self-respect requires boundaries, but when you don't believe you deserve peace, you'll never protect it. You fear boundaries because you fear consequences, losing someone, being judged, creating conflict. So you choose self-abandonment instead. But here's the truth: every boundary you avoid is a lesson teaching others how to treat you. Self-respect is not built through motivation. It's built through proof. By this small steps you can rebuild it. Step 1. Keep small promises to yourself. Wake up when you said you would. Do the task you planned. Show your mind that your word means something. Step 2. Start saying no. A simple no can rebuild more self-worth than 1,000 motivational speeches. Step 3. Remove disrespect quickly. If someone talks down to you, belittles you, or drains you, distance is not cruel. It's survival. Step 4. Choose environments where you're valued. Your self-respect grows in the spaces that honor your presence. Step 5. Build a real identity. Learn what you like. Form opinions. Develop beliefs. Stand for something. Even if you stand alone. Respect doesn't come from perfection. It comes from alignment, from having your actions match your values, from protecting the parts of you that were once unprotected. If you feel like you don't respect yourself, it's not your fault, but rebuilding that respect, that is your responsibility. The moment you choose yourself, your entire life begins to change.